Hello, and welcome back to Meal Mind. If you're into project planning, monitoring and evaluation, or simply want to improve your development projects, then this video is for you. Today, we're exploring the logical framework approach, a widely used tool in project planning and evaluation. If you work in development, M&E, or project management, this is a must-know framework. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to structure a project using LFA, build a logical framework matrix, and apply it to real-world scenarios. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is the logical framework approach? LFA is a structured project planning and management tool. It helps organizations define project objectives, identify key risks, and measure success in a logical, step-by-step manner. This approach is widely used by NGOs, government agencies, and donors to ensure projects are well-planned and result-oriented. Essentially, LFA helps us answer three key questions. What problem are we solving? What are our objectives? How will we measure success? It brings clarity, accountability, and efficiency to project management. Now that we understand what the logical framework approach is, let's dive into its key steps. LFA is not just about creating a document, it's a systematic approach that helps us plan and implement projects effectively. These steps guide us from identifying the problem to designing solutions, setting indicators, and ensuring proper implementation and monitoring. By following this process, we can make sure our projects are clear, structured, and results-driven. So, let's break it down step by step. Every project starts with a problem. But before we jump into solutions, we need to fully understand the root causes and effects of the issue. One of the best tools for this is the problem tree analysis. Here's how it works. The main problem is at the center. The causes of the problem are like the roots. The effects of the problem are like the branches. For example, if the problem is high youth unemployment, possible causes might include lack of vocational skills or limited job opportunities. The effects might be increased poverty and social instability. Identifying these connections helps us design effective solutions. Once we understand the problem, we need to identify key stakeholders, the people or organizations affected by or involved in the project. Stakeholders may include beneficiaries, government agencies, NGOs, and the private sector. Understanding their needs and expectations helps us design an inclusive and sustainable project. After identifying the core problem and understanding its causes and effects, the next step is objective analysis. Here, we flip the problem into a positive solution. Instead of focusing on challenges, we ask, what is the desired outcome? We use an objective tree, which transforms problems into objectives, creating a clear roadmap for what we want to achieve. This step ensures that our project is goal-oriented, realistic, and directly addresses the identified issues. Let's see how it works. Now that we have objectives, we need to choose the best strategy. Should we focus on training programs, job placement services, entrepreneurship support? The best strategy depends on resources, feasibility, and impact. Now, we bring everything together into the logical framework matrix. It has 4 key levels. Goal or the impact, which is the long-term change we want to see. Outcomes or the results, the direct changes due to the project. Outputs or the deliverables, the tangible products or services provided. Activities, the actions taken to achieve outputs. This structure ensures projects stay focused and measurable. Let's look at the example, a youth vocational training project. Each row is linked, ensuring a logical flow from activities to impact. The log frame also includes indicators to measure progress, means of verification for data collection, and assumptions for external factors beyond our control. A great log frame is useless without implementation and monitoring. Regularly tracking indicators ensures the project stays on course. Monitoring involves collecting data on indicators. Evaluation assesses whether the project achieved its outcomes. By following the log frame, we ensure transparency, accountability, and real impact. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points. Logical framework approach helps structure projects logically. Problem analysis identifies root causes. Objective analysis sets clear goals. The log frame matrix organizes project details. Monitoring and evaluation ensures success. So, that's the logical framework approach in a nutshell. Whether you're managing development projects, working in M&E, or applying for donor funding, LFA is an essential tool. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Meal Mind.